This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Rick Boswell. New home in established neighborhood. Quality construction featuring luxury vinyl plank flooring on the main level including laundry room and half bath. Granite countertops with stainless steel kitchen appliances checks off all the boxes. 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths finish out the upper level with wall-to-wall carpet. The full basement offers a rough-in bath with interior and exterior access. Pictures are similar construction. Projected completion to close in January 2022. For more information, review the details below or contact Rick Boswell at 304-263-2121.